Today I plan to do a follow-up testimony about what is happening to Tibetan children through China's colonial boarding school in Tibet. In 2016, my family children, my two grandnieces, being sent to the colonial boarding preschool. After 3 months, they both became a stranger at home. Let me share my personal experience with those two grandnieces. 1 year before, when I was visiting my home, those two kids jumped on me without hesitation. But in 2016 November, late November, just after 3 months, my brother asked me to come home to check what kind of a change that caused my two grandnieces. And then I went to school gate to pick up them. The first time they gave me eye contact, then no more emotional exchange. When I took them to home, they did not exchange any emotion with their grandparents, parents. During the dinner time, they're being silent and kept distance with our family member. It seems that they're not already lost the ability of merging the conversation with their family members. At the same time, they seem uncomfortable, start to feel uncomfortable to share the same identity with their parents or family members. That's where I see the serious change. One is the lost language, means the cultural genocide start with them from home. And the second part is the racial genocide. I can see it's not the physical, but the cultural. They start rejecting or hesitating to share the common identity with family members. So that after 10 years, those kids who been in the boarding preschool in Tibet, they start criticizing their family member who are not able to speaking Chinese Mandarin. That's the serious shift. It's a generation, because those boarding school policies are implemented across Tibet as a part of compulsory education.
Is it possible to wrap it out, please, because we exceed the time? Go a few seconds.
And then since last year, the school asks preschooler to spy on their parent, who emphasize the mother tongue when they come home from boarding school. And then kids report to the school communicate with the local government puts the political pressure on their parent. That's how they circulate the pressure, by cutting off the language from the home between the children and their parents.
Thank you very much. Thank you.